Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to be learning subnetting. Subnetting is a method used to networks to reduce the layer 2 broadcast traffic. So our objective is to create 10 networks and 10 hosts per network. Okay. The ISP has assigned a network ID which is 192.168.10.0. Sorry 0/24. Okay, I'm going to do subnetting and create 10 networks. Okay, so before getting into the subject, to we need network ID. Okay, we need network ID and subnet mask for subnetting. So we have the network ID, but it is in decimal form. So I'm going to convert this into binary format. Okay, let's do that. The first octet, the value of the first octet is 192. So let's do the binary conversion. If you don't know how to do binary conversion, I have already made a video and I have given the link in the description box. Please go and check it out. Okay, to get 192, I need 128 and 64. So 192. So the rest are zeros. So this is the binary form for the first octet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Okay. For the second octet, 168. So I need 128 and I don't need this. Second bit 64. I need 32. I don't need 60 and I need 8. So I got the value. So rest are zeros. So the binary value for the second octet is 10101000. So the third octet is 10. So I don't need 128 and 64, 32, 16. But I need 8. Don't need 4, need 2, and I don't need 1. So the binary value for the third octet is 4 zeros, 1010. And the fourth octet, which is 0, so the binary value is also zeros. So I got the binary value and also the binary format for the subnet mask, which is 24. So 24 network bits, which means 24 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 7 1 8. Then 8 zeros. Okay. Okay. Now our objective is 10 networks. Okay. So the formula for creating subnetwork is 2 power x minus 2. This is the formula. So 2 power x means the number of bits we are going to borrow. The number of bits are going to be borrowed. Okay. Okay. If we borrow 4 bit, okay, I'm going to borrow 4 bit. So what would be the value? Okay, 2 power 4, 16. Okay. So I will get 16 subnetworks, but our objective is 10. It's more than 10. Okay, but if I borrow 3 bits, let's do 3 bits. How many subnetworks I will get? 2 power 3, 8. Okay, so it is less than 10. So I can borrow 4 bits to get 10 networks. Okay, so I'm going to, so okay, 4 bits. So let's see the combination for the 4 bits. So it can be, all the bits can be 4 and the first 3 can be 0 and fourth one can be 1 and the next this can be 1 and this one, next 0 0 and 1 1. These are the combination. We need 10 combination. I have a shortcut method for this. Let me show you. Let's think this is 8 and 4 2 1. Okay, first first format always zeros, okay, leave that. And second format, okay, which is 1, so 1 1. Next 2, we are enabling the second bit 2. In order to get 3, we are enabling 2 bits, okay. So let's see here, 1, and here 2, and here 3, and there 4 5 5 6. Let's see, to get 4, 0 1 0 0. To get 5, 0 1 0 1. For 6, 0 1 1 0. So for 10th network, what would be the combination? So 8 plus, we don't need 8 plus 2, 10 and 0. This is how, this is also a shortcut method to calculate the combinations, okay. Okay, the first combination is all zeros, okay. So okay, I'm going to borrow the bits now. 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0, 1 0 1 0 1 triple 0, and 1 2 3 4 and 1 0 1 0. Okay, now I'm going to borrow 4 bits. 1 2 3 4. I have borrowed 4 bits. Okay, so the rest are host bits. So I have borrowed 4 bits. So 24 plus 4, 28. So the subnet mask is 28. So 28 ones. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And 24 bits. Now I have borrowed 4 bits. 1 2 3 4. 4 borrowed bits. And the balance host bits, host part. Okay, we got, okay, so the decimal format of subnet mask is 255.255.255.4 bits, so 4 ones. 128 plus 64, 192 plus 32, 224 plus 16, 240. So the value is 240. This is the subnet mask, okay, for the subnetworks. Okay, this is the subnet mask we are going to use. Okay, first combination, we have already got the first combination, which is all zeros. So the first subnet ID is 192.168.10 dot, so all zeros 0. This is the first subnet ID. Okay, because the first combination all zeros, the first combination all zeros, so this is the first subnet ID. So the second subnet ID, which is the fourth bit enabled, the value for the fourth bit is 16. Okay, the value of the fourth bit is 16, so we are enabling the fourth bit and the value of the fourth bit is 16. So what would be the subnet ID, second subnet ID? 192.168.10 dot, the fourth bit, we are enabling the fourth bit, the value of the fourth bit is 16, so 16. So this is the second subnet ID. Let me put it. Okay, SID. SID means subnet ID. So let's see the third subnet ID. What is the third combination? 0010. Okay, 190, 192, 192.168.10 dot. The value of the third bit is 32. So the third subnet ID is 192.168.10.32. Okay, the fourth subnet ID. Let's go to the fourth subnet ID. The fourth combination is 0011. Okay, so let's do 192.168.10 dot. So the third bit and fourth bit, what are the values of the third and fourth? 32 and 16. 32 plus 16, 48. So the fourth subnet ID is 48. 192.168.10.48. This is the fourth subnet ID. And the subnet mask for these subnet IDs is already given here to 55.255.255.240. This is the subnet ID for the subnetworks. Okay, let's go to the 10th subnet ID. The combination is 1010. So 192.168.10.1010. So 128.32. Okay, and first bit and third bit. The first bit value is 128 and the third bit value is 32. So 128 plus 32 is 160. Isn't it? Yeah. The 10th subnet ID is 192.160.10.160. Okay, we got the subnet IDs. Next, 10 hosts per subnetwork. Okay, let's see how many hosts we have. Now we have, okay, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many hosts? I think 14 hosts. So 14 hosts, okay, but our objective is 10, but we got 14. So the first network ID is for the first subnet ID. The first network ID is, sorry, first IP address 192.168.10.1. This is the first IP address in the subnetwork, and the last IP address is 14. Okay, because 15 is the broadcast ID. Okay, broadcast ID for the subnetwork 15. So first and last are reserved. First is network ID and the last one is broadcast ID. So between network ID and broadcast ID, the number of hosts, the IP address available between network ID and the host, the broadcast ID is the number of hosts. Okay, host port. So the second subnetwork, the first network ID, first IP address for the second subnetwork is 17. From 17 to 40, is it 40? No, 30. Because 31 is the broadcast ID. And the third 192.168.10. The first IP 33. The last IP 46 because 47 is the broadcast ID. Okay, this is how we can see the number of hosts. Okay, now we go. Okay, is anything missing? We got this 10 subnetworks. We got 10 subnetworks and 10 hosts each. Okay, our objective is fine. And thanks for watching the video, and we will see in another video which is super subnetting. It will be coming soon, and thank you.